one of the things you'll notice is that the LED is on and it's in the center of the screen. Now, what you might want to do is reposition this start, and we can do this quite easily by clicking on the turtle item and then clicking set position and dragging it in here. Now, if you notice, this is within the on start block, so when the Microbit editor loads, you can see it starts in a certain position. Now, if we change the X position, so instead of 2, we click on it and we drag that down to say 0, watch what happens to the little red LED dot. So it moves now over towards the left, and likewise, if we increase the X position to 4, you can see now it starts on the right. So these are in fact coordinates, and they allow us to reposition this X and Y so that we can manipulate the LED so we can get it starting at a different position. Now, one thing to remember is that if you then say to the turtle go forward, let's say for example forward, and we'll do forward 4 steps, what you'll notice is you can see it's just gone forward 4, but it doesn't leave a trail as to where it has been. In order to do this, we need to make sure we add in something called a pen down, and the order that this goes in is very, very important. So now, as you can see, we have a line which has been drawn, and you can see we've got that there because we've started in a position of 2 to 4, just down here. We told the pen to go down, and then we've said forward 4, so it's gone 1, 2, 3, 4 on top there. Now you can use a number of other things, so you've got turn left, turn right, and also you can do a pen up. So let's say for example if we need to move the turtle to say if we wanted to draw across, what we might want to do then is change the turtle's position. So we're going to set then X to 0. So what you'll notice is the turtle will draw and then it'll move here. Now you'll notice the pen up, it's taken the last one off. So if you didn't want the last one there, you can see it's basically taken the last one away, so we're not really going to do that anymore. Now the next thing that you can do is if we wanted then to go towards the left or the right, we need to turn the turtle. So at the moment the turtle is pointing up. Now it's always typically going to be pointing up, so in order to go towards the right we need to turn right, and then if we say forward, and then we'll give it a number, let's say for example forward 5, what you'll find is that it goes up, moves, and then you can see it goes over. But again, because the pen is up, it'll just move across. If we delete this pen up for a moment, so let's click on the block and delete it, let's just see what that will do now. So you can see it's quite clearly gone up, gone to the next position, and then moved over. Now if you wanted this to be lit on the top, we need to make sure the steps there are incremented by 1 more, so you can kind of see it'll go up and then go across like so. Now these are the basic commands that you are going to use, and these are the basic commands that you need to try to remember. I would typically always use pen down, and I would normally use a set position and a forward and a turn to make any type of shape that you need to.